Good morning. I am at the airport bright and early. I'm heading to Disneyland today. I'm only going to be there one night, two half-ish days, and I'm excited. I'm going to get a lot done and I can't wait to take you along with me. So let's head into the airport, hop on a flight, and go to Disneyland. I'm Melissa with Mix in Some Magic. Let's get going. I landed and I am on my way to drop my bag off at my hotel. I'm going to be taking the Eve shuttle to my hotel. So you can book it using the Away We Go app. You can scan that QR code right there and book it on demand. I made it to my hotel. There's the Eve, just dropped me off. I am staying at Howard Johnson, one of my favorite places to stay. So I'm here, drop off my bags, and then I will be heading into the park. Lucky for me, my room is ready to go. So I'm gonna go drop my stuff off in my room. I'll give you a quick room tour and then we'll head to Disneyland. I love staying at the Howard Johnson because the location is amazing. The rooms are amazing. The pool is amazing. There's just so many great things about this property, and it's what keeps me coming back and staying here time and time again. Here we are, just checking into the Hojo. I can't wait to take you on a tour. This place is great. So they have a huge closet right here. I've already dropped my stuff off. Got a safe if you need that. I love the bathroom because it's so bright. It's great to put on makeup in here. 2 sinks. I love 2 sinks. Cute artwork. We've got the shower back here. And if we come around here, there is a fridge. Check that out. So we have the fridge and the microwave and the coffee station. More fun artwork. Drawers. I love it when hotels have storage. There's a desk area over here. TV, cute Mickey Mouse art. Then there's a table and 2 super comfy beds. I just love the vibe of this place. The colors are bright and it's just fun and inviting. And look, right out here is the pool area right off my balcony. What a great view. Let's check it out. Oh, there it is, a beautiful pool. This is gonna be a great stay. I changed my clothes, got settled in my room, and now I am heading to Disneyland. I'm hungry. It's, I don't know, maybe like 10:30, 10:45. I'm gonna go grab an early lunch, and we're gonna do some fun stuff around the parks. And you have to see how close Hojo is. So there's the Howard Johnson sign, and you see that right there? That's the Matterhorn. And this track right here is for the monorail. So super close to the parks, just a really quick walk, maybe like 7-ish minutes. There isn't any on-site dining at the Howard Johnson, but it is so close to a bunch of stuff. So see, there's the Hojo right there. I just crossed the street, but there is Mimi's Cafe right here. Then if you keep walking down this street on your way to Disneyland, you'll find Panera, there's McDonald's, there's IHOP. So there are a bunch of options right nearby, which is really nice if you want to grab something outside the parks, or you can just walk over to downtown Disney, get stuff to eat down there. There's a lot of great options. All right, here I am. I made it to Disneyland and I am hungry. So I mobile ordered from Jolly Holiday Bakery and I'm gonna go have an early lunch since I missed breakfast.
That's Pluto, everybody.
This is the berry toasted cheese sandwich from Jolly Holiday Bakery. It comes with this consomme and it's on sourdough bread. I've had it before and I'm happy to have it again. It's been gone for a little while, but now it's back, and I'm not missing out on that opportunity to eat it again. I'm a mess. So good. I'm gonna give it a 9. No. 8.5. 8.5. Delicious though. Lunch was delicious. I remember to put on my ears from Allie's ears. Super cute. I feel like I have something in my teeth though. I don't know. I'm heading into Fantasyland. I'm gonna go hit some rides in there. It seems like wait times aren't too bad, at least not yet. So I'm gonna go hit some Fantasyland before lines get crazy. I have been having lots of fun in Fantasyland for the last little while, but it's time for a snack. I'm getting hungry. Ooh, but the line to Peter Pan's kind of shorter. Nope. I'm gonna stick with the original plan. I mean, when I say shorter, I mean like 30 minutes instead of 40. But I'm gonna stick with the original plan and go get a snack. I mobile ordered from Refreshment Corner, one of my favorite Disneyland snacks. It's delicious. This is the Mickey pretzel from Refreshment Corner. It is the perfect snack. I get the cheese with it. I don't like the cheese that comes with the Mickey pretzels at the stands, but I do like this cheese from Refreshment Corner. Plus, I got myself a drink to go along with it. Perfect snack. I have spent most of the day in Fantasyland filming a different YouTube video that will be coming out soon, and I finished that up, checked that off my list, and now I have like 30-40 minutes to kill before I'm meeting a friend for dinner. So I'm just gonna go wander, see what I can see, and the crowds really are not bad today, which is nice. Spring break crowds are over. The grad night crowds, summertime crowds haven't arrived yet. Always love a lower crowd day in the parks, and it's been pretty nice today. Are you a merch person? Because I'm really not a merch person, but I do love looking at a couple shops, and Madame Leota's Somewhere Beyond is one that I really like. Ooh. And I really like this. Very soft.
Just to see how long they waited.
Don't mind me. I'm just the lady that touches plants. My other favorite shop is the pirate shop. I don't know. I just like it. It's just different, I guess. Same with the Madame Leota shop. They're just a little bit different, and I think that's why I like them. Incidentally, this has nothing to do with any of the shops I'm talking about, but I got these ears from Allie's Ears. She's a small ear shop, and I absolutely love them. So if you need a pair of comfortable, cute ears, I'm gonna put a link down in the description with a code for 10% off if you want to check them out.
We just got off the ride. We're at the store right now.
I met my friend Angie for dinner at California Adventure Park. That was really fun. Then I hopped back over to Disneyland. I know I said I'm not a merch person, but Angie was wearing the cutest sweater. Now I gotta go see if I can find it. It feels like there's hardly anybody here right now. Super quiet. Let me show you. It doesn't usually feel this it doesn't feel this less crowded. What is the word? This crowd, I don't know. It doesn't usually feel like this. Let me show you. So it's 7:10 in the evening and it feels really relaxed and chill, and obviously I love it. This is amazing. There's just not a lot of crowds right now and I love that. Okay, look how cute this is. Let me zoom out. See? It's pretty cute, right? But do I need it? It is $70. I don't know, but it's adorable. I'm gonna think about it. I decided to head back to the hotel. Bless you. Because I am freezing. I'm not prepared for this cold. I have my sweatshirt on, but I am so cold and I've been up since 4. I'm tired and cold and tired. Cold and tired do not mix with me. So I'm calling it a night. I'm heading back to the hotel. I didn't get that sweater, but I got something else that I am so excited about. I'll show you when I get back to the hotel. It's adorable. Look what I got. It is a monorail salt and pepper shaker, and I'm obsessed. I love salt and pepper shakers. I collect them, and they don't usually have salt and pepper shakers at Disney parks. So whenever I see one, I get so excited, and I'm so happy. I know it's silly, but I am happy. I am back at the hotel, cozy in my jammies. I've got the heat cranked up. It's just so cold, and now I am ready to crash. I gotta be up early tomorrow because I'm rope dropping, so it's early to bed for me, which I am totally fine with. It was cold and I am not prepared for cold. I don't know what's wrong with me, but I don't have my coat, I don't have my beanie, and I get cold so easy. So I was not thinking when I packed, but that's okay because I am warm now. Thank you so much for watching. It was a fun day. Make sure you're following along because I'm going to be sharing tomorrow's adventures in an upcoming video, and it's going to be fun. Thanks so much for watching. We'll talk soon.